PKK. Pantsir-S1 shot down Turkish Bayraktar-TB2 in Iraq. Baghdad, BM. $1 equals 1,459.10 Iraqi dinars, Russia's self-propelled medium-range surface-to-air missile and anti-aircraft artillery Pantsir-S1 systems have shot down a Turkish Bayraktar-TB2 attack UAV over Iraqi airspace, the pro-PKK news agency ANF News reported. According to ANF News reporters, the Russian system attacked the Turkish drone in northern Iraq. There is a discrepancy in the time it is alleged that the Turkish drone was shot down. Reporters from the news agency claim that this happened only a few days ago, while other field sources say that the video is at least from May this year. The video shows the Turkish drone Bayraktar-TB2 already shot down and the damage it has suffered. It can be seen that no electronic counteraction systems have been used, i.e., the drone was shot down by an anti-aircraft missile. It is assumed that this may be the Russian Pantsir-S1 system. BulgarianMilitary.com reminds you that the Iraqi military has officially acquired such systems from Moscow. Turkish Bayraktar-TB2 attack and reconnaissance drones have lost their reputation again after it became known that one of these drones had been destroyed by a Russian air defense missile system over northern Iraq. The correspondence match between the Turkish drone Bayraktar-TB2 and the Russian mobile air defense system Pantsir-S1 continues, as it was previously held on the territory of Libya and Syria. Bayraktar-TB2 gained fame as a successful system for dealing with the Russian air defense system, after at least a dozen cases became known in which the Turkish drones successfully destroyed Pantsir-S1. At one point last year, Russia decided to take back most of these systems and upgrade or modernize them, especially in the field of radar technology, as it turned out that despite working radars, Turkish drones were more than successful. The Iraqi Pantsir-S1 may be such a model because according to journalists from AFN News, the radar detected the drone long before the drone itself reached the permissible range to attack the system.